Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I can put into s to the power of 2 and s to the power of 3. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 3s squared ds. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change by u. This one we change by u. S squared ds we change by du over number 3. Next, we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals, t equals to 1 over 3u. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have dt equals to 1 over 3 du. dv we have cosine u du. The integration of this one, we have v equal to sine u. So we have t multiplied by v minus we have dt multiplied by v, and we have the integration of sine u du. So the integration of negative sine u, we have cosine u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. That is the end. Thank you for watching.